Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Adobe Premiere Pro shared projects using team projects, full guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Ensure you are signed in to your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Navigate to the File menu located at the top left corner of the screen. Select Team Projects from the drop-down menu. If you're prompted to enable team projects, click on Enable. Create a new team project by selecting New Team Project. Enter a name for your team project in the designated field. Add a description if desired, to clarify the purpose of the project. Choose the appropriate settings for your team project. Click Create to finalize the setup. Once created, you will be taken to the team project dashboard. To invite collaborators, click on the Invite button. Enter the email addresses of your team members in the invitation field. Select the role for each member, such as editor or viewer. Click Invite to send out invitations. Your team members will receive notifications and can join the project. To add media or assets, drag and drop them into the project panel. Organize media assets into bins for easier navigation. Edit your timeline as you normally would. Changes made by any team member will sync automatically. To view the project's revision history, click on the History tab. This allows you to revert to earlier versions if needed. Communicate with your team using the built-in comment feature. This keeps all discussions in one place. To access the team project settings, navigate back to the Team Projects menu. Here you can manage member permissions or update project settings. Regularly save your progress to avoid losing any changes. When you're ready to export your project, go to the File menu again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.